So this is the land and sky telescope. So I'm gonna assemble it now. Let's unbox it. So this is the basic telescope, and we got a tripod, a user manual in it. So let me go ahead and show you how to assemble it. So this is the main telescope. And there's a caution on it, and not supposed to see sun through the telescope, and it's got a 45-degree angle. Comes with the mounting screw. So let me show you how to mount it onto the tripod. So just align the hole. So there it is. You can adjust it as per the requirements. So this is an extension, eyepiece. So this gives you even more closer picture, which is 1.5x zoom in. And you got there are two lenses which has been provided. One which is 20 mm, and the other one is of 6 mm. So this is how it looks once the telescope has been mounted onto the tripod. So let me show you the eyepiece. You gotta put the eyepiece into it. Tightening it. And this part, which is known to get a crisp, sharp image. So this is the eyepiece of a 20 mm. So inserting it into, got tightened. So you gotta adjust it as per the image, since it will be blurry. To get it into a crisp, sharp image, you gotta adjust it. Okay, so let me show you now what are we actually gonna zoom in. So this is my neighbor's house, and we're gonna zoom into the grill part. So let me just show you. So there it is. This is how it looks like through the telescope. You get a crisp, sharp image. You can see even the rusty part, which is on the grill actually. Thanks for watching.